Good afternoon, everybody. This is Dr. Vijay Vadai. I am expressing the greatest gratitude to everybody and would like to congratulate you wholeheartedly because you all, the 303 participants, you were all engaged into the BOSS environment, the operating system which has been created by CDAC, which is considered as one of the best entity as a research organizations in not only in India but across the world, and they could come out with the Bharatiya operating solution system which is customized for the Indian environment. We know that its operability is into the more than 30 languages in India. Hope this particular all learning, very systematic learning, which is being driven from the IIT Powai Mumbai as a spoken tutorial, which is a dream project of Honorable D.V. Phatak sir. Professor Kannan was also mentioned the great utility of this particular continuing education program, and he was involved into accelerating this particular spoken tutorial so that it is disseminated to the faculty who are desirous to get the insight and in-depth knowledge of the various different subject, and hence the tutorial has been constituted and properly developed from the various experts from the world, and which has been made it available for the teaching community so that the train the trainer program is properly exhibited and executed at right pace. I know that I am seeing this particular activity since last 10 years. When the D.V. Phatak sir was driving this particular activity, the intent of this particular activity, he knows that only digital environment can only disseminate the right information and knowledge to all the sections of the society who may be present here in the campus, IIT campus, or across the nation, anywhere. And that is why I feel that this is the most successful activity. In this particular 7 days FDP, today is the 7th day of this FDP, and I know that all the participants must have enjoyed all the learning of the Linux environment, configuration of the Linux environment, installation of the Linux environment, executing the various commands in the administration side, maybe from the file side, or the running the programs at different level to understand the complete insight of this particular operating system wherever it will be deployed. You know there are 2-3 versions. Version 1 to 8 version now it has come up to satisfy the need of the various sections. It may be from the client side, or maybe at the server side, or maybe for the schooling education. So they have nomenclature, they have given the proper systematic nomenclature so that it is indigenized and Indian base environment has been created for leveling those kind of the operating systems which has been developed as a various versions. I know that Professor Aarti Gaikwad and Professor Pramod Deshmukh, they have really worked very hard along with their team of coining this particular various quizzes, extracting the knowledge and again rebuilding the quizzes and giving you for the solution so that the interest should remain continuous for you. And I'm sure that the quality journals every participants have submitted, and this was mandatory made for everybody, that you should be able to give the justice to the topic, you should understand it thoroughly, and then later on thereby you should earn the certificate, not get the certificate out of this particular exercise. I am sure that Professor Pramod Deshmukh and Arti Gaikwad have done their great contribution and given the right kind of the services, because you people during the COVID pandemic situations, you are at your respective home and you have realized and learned the various commands to operate the operating systems to the fullest extent and to get the full insight of this BOSS operating systems 3.4.2 level. Sure, as a head of the institutions, I would like to congratulate all the team who were working on the front, or some people were working at the background. Professor Sonam Patil and a few more faculty also. Professor Rangankar were there, Khadilkar madam was there, Professor Sonali Kothari was there. You know, whole participants have, those who have exemplified as one of the best participants. I could name the few, but I am sure that all the participants have learned the prerequisite knowledge of these operating systems. When they go to their own institutions, they will find that yes, they can also conduct the similar kind of the exercise and the faculty development program for their respective institutions. As a head of the institutions from the D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, I would like to once again give the fullest my compliment and hope that this learning is the real learning which is happening into your life, which may turn your perspective of learning and really realizing the dissemination of the knowledge to the lowest level of this stakeholder. I wish you all the best. Before I conclude that, I must not forget Vidya Kadam's contribution from IIT Mumbai and the Professor Kannan and Professor D.V. Patak, who were the instrumental to bring this kind of the technology to the normal common people or all the colleges. So I express my gratitude. I also express my gratitude to my Honorable Chairman Satesh Patil sir, Honorable Campus Director Sri Colonel Joshi sir, who being the backbone for this particular activity, and hence he has created all the infrastructure and the spirit of learning, and hence I also express my gratitude to all the stakeholder, management, students, faculty, and I hope that this learning was a very joyful learning and happy learning. So once again, I give you all the best for the future when you are taking away the certificate, not only, but you are earning the certificates, and you will be really having the great joy when you are gaining that particular certificate today. Once again, I congratulate everybody. Have a great day. Dr. Vijay Vadai, D.Y. Patil College, Akuradi. Thank you very much.